Welcome students. In Maths first, topic number 5, linear equation in two variables. Student, we had already seen this topic. Now we will recall all these topics. First, topic number 5, linear equation in two variables. In this topic, we had learned what is meant by linear equation and what is meant by linear equation in two variables. In 8th standard, we had seen linear equation in one variable. In 9th standard, we will see linear equation in two variable. It is also important in 10th standard also how to solve linear equation in two variables. So in 8th standard, we learn linear equation in one variable. In 9th standard, we learn linear equation in two variable, and it is useful in also 10th standard for solving equations. So see carefully, understand it. Students, we had already learned what is meant by linear equation in one variable in 8th standard. Here I had written here some examples in linear equation in one variable. Observe these four examples. Here it is equation because there are two sides present, LHS and RHS. LHS and RHS is present here. Therefore, it is equation. And here only one variable present. In first example, variable x is present and its degree is 1. Therefore, it is linear equation in one variable. Here also variable is m and its degree is 1. Therefore, it is linear equation in one variable. Here also it is a linear equation in one variable, and here also it is linear equation in one variable. We had already learned this in 8th standard. So here, what is the value of x? 5. We here subtract 3 from both sides. Therefore, we get 3 minus 3 get cancelled. We get value of x as 2. Here, we write this as m upon 3 is equal to 2. We multiply both sides by 3. 3 get cancels, therefore we get value of m is equal to 3 2s are 6. Here see 3y plus 8 is equal to 22. Here we subtract 8 from both sides. Therefore 3y is equal to 28 minus 8, 14. Therefore 3y upon 3 is equal to 14 upon 3. Therefore, y is equal to 14 upon 3. And see last example, here two variables are present. One variable is present on both sides. Take here m. 2m minus m is equal to 4 upon 9. 2m minus 1 m is equal to 4 upon 9. Value of m is 4 upon 9. Okay, understand? This we had been in 8th standard. Now, today we will see how to solve linear equation in two variables. So, let's start. What is meant by linear equation in two variables? Linear equations means degree is 1 and there must present two variables. Means an equation having two variables and degree 1. We call it as linear equation in two variables. We had also learned what method of solving linear equations. Suppose there are given two linear equations, then how to solve these two linear equations? We had seen two methods. First method is elimination method and second method is substitution method. We had both seen the method. Today we will once again see first method. Method first is elimination method. Solving simultaneous equations. Solving simultaneous equations. We know what is meant by simultaneous equation. Suppose that we get unique solution of the given two equation. We call it as simultaneous equation. एक सामायिक समीकरणे असं आपण मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो. ओके, हाऊ टू सॉल्व दिस सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन? फर्स्ट मेथड वी विल सी बाय elimination method. We solve this simultaneous equation by elimination method. So let's start with example. Take first example. Solve first equation is x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 2. See, in these two examples, here x plus y is equal to 14. This is linear equation in two variable. There are two variables present, x and y, and its degree is 1. So it is linear equation in two variable. Here also observe there are two variables present, x and y, and its degree is 1. Therefore it is also linear equation in two variable. So we solve this equation by elimination method. We had seen what is mean by eliminate. To eliminate, घालून टाकणे म्हणतो थोडक्यात. मराठीमध्ये चलाचा लोप करण्याचा शब्द आहे, पण थोडक्यात अर्थ काय? टू इलिमिनेट, बाजूला काढणे, काढून टाकणे असं आपण म्हणतो. इलिमिनेट करणे म्हणजे काय? बाजूला काढणे, बाहेर काढणे, काढून टाकणे. ओके, वी हॅव टू इलिमिनेट. Elimination method, we have to eliminate one of the variable. There are two variables present, and in that method we eliminate one of the variable. एका व्हेरिएबल आपल्याला एलिमिनेट करायचं आहे. तुम्ही डान्स कॉम्पिटिशन बघताय, स्पर्धा वेगवेगळ्या बघताय टीव्हीला, चॅनलला. ओके, मग त्यामध्ये एक पार्टिसिपेट काय करत होतं? एलिमिनेट होतं. तेव्हा सुरुवातीला 10 पार्टिसिपेट असतील, त्यातले 5 चूज करायचे तर 5 एलिमिनेट करतात. ते 5 पैकी 3 पैकी पुन्हा 1 म्हणजे राहिलेले काय करतात? तरी एकेकांना एलिमिनेट करत जातात. ओके, तसंच इथं काय आहे का? एक्स आणि वाय असे दोन व्हेरिएबल आहेत. या दोन व्हेरिएबल पैकी एका व्हेरिएबलला एलिमिनेट करायचं आपण आणि दुसऱ्या व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. ह्याला काय म्हणायचं आहे? एलिमिनेशन मेथड. सो हियर फॉर एलिमिनेटिंग वन ऑफ द व्हेरिएबल वी मस्ट ऍड ऑर सबट्रॅक्ट. आपल्याला काय केलं पाहिजे? ह्या दोन इक्वेशनचं एकतर ऍडिशन केलं पाहिजे किंवा सबट्रॅक्शन केलं पाहिजे. सो सी हियर, लेट x plus y is equal to 14. We call it an equation first, and x minus y is equal to 2. We call it an equation number second. Observe these two equations carefully. Here coefficient of x is 1. Here also coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of y is 1. Here coefficient of y is minus 1. So for eliminating, we must add equation 1 and 2 or subtract equation 1 and 2. एका व्हेरिएबलचं आपल्याला एलिमिनेट करायचं आहे, त्यामुळे दोघांची एकतर आपल्याला ऍडिशन करावी लागेल किंवा दोघांचं सबट्रॅक्शन करावे लागेल. मग यासाठी दोघांचं कोएफिशियंट सेम असणं गरजेचं आहे. मग इथे दोघांचेही कोएफिशियंट सेम आहेत, त्यामुळे आपण कुणालाही एलिमिनेट केलं तरी चालतं. मग बघा, कुणाचं एक्स वायला एलिमिनेट करायचं आहे. वायचं तर प्लस आहे तर मायनस आहे, म्हणजे दोघांची ऍडिशन केलं तर वाय एलिमिनेट होतोय, आणि तुम्ही या दोघांची सबट्रॅक्शन केलं तर एक्स एलिमिनेट होतोय. सो हियर आय डू ऍडिशन, ऍडिंग equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2, we get what we get. See, we get first equation x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 2. We have to add these two equations. Y minus y get cancelled. X plus x, 1x plus 1x, 2x is equal to 14 plus 2, 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to value of x is equal to 8. we get one of the value. Eliminating y, we get value of x. If we eliminate x, then we get the value of y. Now put this value of x in any one of the equations. Substitute or put x is equal to 8 in equation. We put x is equal to 8 in equation first. We get, write down first equation, x plus y is equal to 14. Therefore, value of x is 8 plus y is equal to 14. Therefore, y is equal to, we have to find the value of y. Now see, this is a linear equation in one variable. We had learned in X standard how to solve linear equation in one variable. So here 8 becomes minus, or subtracting 8 from both sides. Y is equal to 6. Therefore, value of y is 6. Therefore, xy is equal to 8, 6 is solution of given equations. Given simultaneous equation. You also try whether the answer is correct or not. X value 8 and y value 6 put करो बघा. 8 plus 6 किती येते 14 and 8 minus 6 2. Therefore our answer is correct. Okay, understand first example. Here coefficient of x is also same and coefficient of y is also same. So eliminate one of the x or y. दोघांपैकी कुणाला एकाला एलिमिनेट करा. मी तो y ला एलिमिनेट केला आहे by adding equation मध्ये आहे 2. Now see one of the example, another example, x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. We have to solve this equation by elimination method. Means we have to eliminate one of the variable x and y, x or y. See, for this I had told you the coefficient of x or coefficient of y must be same. If coefficient of x and y is same, then we add or subtract and eliminate one of them. See here, first write given equations are. Given equations are x plus y is equal to 4. We call this equation first, and 2x minus 5y is equal to also 1. We call this equation number 6. Now observe this equation. Here coefficient of x is 1 and here coefficient of x is 2. Here coefficient of y is 1 and here coefficient of y is minus 5. So here coefficient of x or coefficient of y is not same. In first example, both are same, so we eliminate one of them. But here not same. So first make coefficient of x or y same and then add and subtract. So I here make coefficient of x same. See. So coefficient of x is 2. Here I want coefficient of x 2. So here multiply equation 1, this equation by 2. Here this equation multiply by 2. So becomes multiply equation 1 by 2. Means 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay, means this equation becomes, new equation becomes 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now neglect this equation 1 and see equation 2 and 3. Here coefficient of x is same, so we here eliminate x. How to eliminate? By adding or by subtracting? Here by subtracting equation 2 and 3 we eliminate x. So next step is subtracting equation 2 and 3. So here we do subtract it. 2x plus 2y is equal to 8 minus 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. Now in addition there is no sign problem. but in subtraction use carefully look at the sign. Sign कडे व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्यायचं आहे. Due to this sign minus, plus minus becomes minus, plus minus minus becomes plus, minus plus becomes minus. So due to minus sign, change the sign. Okay, 2x minus 2x get cancelled. 2y plus 5y. Here new sign, 5y sign is plus. 2y plus 5y becomes 7y is equal to 8 minus 1, 7. Means it becomes 7y is equal to 7. Therefore, y is equal to 7 upon 7. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Value of y becomes 1. Okay. Now put the value of y in any one of the equation, 1, 2 or maybe 3. Put y is equal to 1 in equation first. What is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, x plus y value is 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Therefore, x y is equal to 3, 1. These are the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Okay, understand student? Here, no of the coefficient is same, neither x nor y. So we first make any one of the coefficients same. In this example, I made equation of coefficient of x same. How to make coefficient of x same? By multiplying equation 1 by 2. इक्वेशन 1 ला आपण 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करून आपण x चा कोएफिशिएंट सेम करून घेतलेला आहे. मीन्स becomes 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 2 are 8. Now consider these two equations. By subtracting x get eliminated, we get the value of y, and put the value of y in any three of the equations, we get the value of x. So x y is equal to 3 1 are the solution of the given simultaneous equations. See the third example. Solve 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 5y is equal to 11. First we write the given equations. Given equations are, we can write the given equation as 2x plus 3y. This is plus 4 becomes minus 4. We call this equation first. And x minus 5y is equal to 11. You call this as equation number second. Now observe these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Here coefficient of x is 2, here coefficient of x is 1. Here coefficient of y is 3 and here coefficient of y is 5. So here neither x nor y coefficient is same. So we first make one of the coefficient as same. Here it is easy to make coefficient of x same. How to make coefficient of x same? We multiply equation 2 by 2. So here we write multiply equation 2 by 2. Therefore, equation 2 becomes now 2x minus 10y is equal to 22. This is equation number 3rd. Now neglect this equation 2. Consider equation first and second. First and third. See here in the first there is coefficient of x is 2 and in this coefficient of x is 2. Both coefficient of x are same in the equation first and third. So we eliminate x by subtracting equation 1 and 3. Therefore, we write subtracting equations 1 and 3. So write first third equation 2x minus 10y is equal to 22 minus 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. Here see, minus plus becomes minus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus. 2x minus 2x 0, minus 10y minus 3y. Here this is minus 10y and here minus 3y becomes minus 13y is equal to 22 plus 4 becomes 26. So we get minus 13y is equal to 26. Calculate the value of y. Y is equal to 26 upon minus 13. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. Value of y is minus 2. We get the value of y. Now we want the value of x. Put this value of y in equation 1, 2 or 3. I put the value of y in equation 2. Put value of y is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. What is equation 2? X minus 5y is equal to 11. Therefore, x minus 5, value of y is minus 2 is equal to 11. Therefore, x minus minus becomes plus 10 is equal to 11. Now this is linear equation in one variable. We have to find value of x. 11 minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Therefore, our solution is xy is equal to 1 minus 2. Put this value, see here, 1 minus 5 into minus 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. Our answer is correct. So student, understand how to solve linear equation in two variable by elimination method, by eliminating one of the variable x or y. We had seen this. Your today's homework is solve practice set 5.1.